Mio Dashcam. And in the box you will find 3 years warranty, night vision pro, low light sensor, full HD 60 frames per second, which is quite important, high dynamic range. And inside we will find the camera and tons of accessories like manual, mounting, sticker, cable, which is quite long, and what else do we have? Papers, and some kind of, I'm not sure what that is. USB-C on the side with a matte finish screen. Well, there you go. Buttons. And in the menu we will find languages, couple of them. Let's stick to English, I guess. There's a file playback, sound recording, parking mode, video recording, system, and format the card. If we hit video recording, we can do video length, video resolution, which we go, forget HDR, I want to go 60 frames per second. And immediately we notice that 60 frames per second, which is super smooth. I didn't set up the date and time, but that's okay. GPS is accurate. We do have a little reflections on this shield, but that's okay. We're almost directly to the sun. Wow, 60 FPS. And check out the license plate. Is it visible? Yes, it is. Very clearly. A little bit of movement. Again, now the sun is behind us, so it's even better. A little less reflections, and it's super clean footage. A different day, with a little bit of rain, so it'll be harder for the camera. Again, license plate is visible and a smooth movement. Maybe we go a little further at night. Check out the license plate, clearly visible. I'm just shocked how good it is at night. Just incredible. I love it. And now you know, C545 PRO. Link in the description, inexpensive and really good. In Full HD. See you next video. Bye. I teraz już wiesz, Mio C454 PRO. Niedroga, w 60 klatkach Full HD. Link w opisie, polecam i pozdrawiam. I teraz już wiesz, C545 PRO w 60 klatkach, niedroga, robi wrażenie. I teraz już wiesz, w wersji Pro Mio, niedroga, a w 60 klatkach, robi wrażenie. Pozdrawiam i polecam. Link w opisie.